Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. So I just wanted to give a quick update in regards to Baked Beans Reloaded. So Baked Beans is a crypto DeFi app project that's been given 8% daily reward. So it's a really good project. You can take a look at the review that I made. There'll be a link in the description if you want to look at the full review video there. So currently there is let me just go ahead and go to the contract so you can see how much is invested. Currently there is $1,176,000 invested, so quite a lot of growth, quite a lot of potential with this, guys. So I have been rebaking. I do 6-to-1 where I rebake, basically compound for 6 days, and then on the 7th day is when I withdraw. So I have compounded for 6 days, and today is my day to withdraw. So let me just go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect my actually my MetaMask is already connected here. So it's really easy to withdraw. All I'm gonna do is click eat beans, but first let me see what's the value of this. So 0.07976. let me see how much BNB that's giving me here. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so I invested about 1 BNB when I first started on here, so roughly about $47, which is really nice. So if we multiply 47 by 30, so let's take $47. Let's see how much I'd be earning per month. So roughly about $1,410, which is, you know, quite amazing. And this is only growing, guys. This is literally growing. You know, and I see like the amount of beans that I'm getting every day is growing, as well as I'm compounding my rewards. It's still early days, guys, still early to get into this project. Again, you can check out my full review in the link in the description, but let me go ahead and eat my beans or withdraw here. So I'll click on withdraw. Okay, and my MetaMask has opened up. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on confirm. Okay, and I have a full step-by-step video in the description of how to join as well. So for those that are looking to join, there's a full step-by-step video. See, the transaction has already confirmed, and I should have gotten the money here. Boom, it's gone straight into my MetaMask wallet. Now I had a little bit, a couple extra dollars in my MetaMask wallet. That's why it's 56. But the full amount I pulled out is about 47 USD. All right, so 8% daily rewards, guys. I'm able to compound with this, able to grow with this. Still early days, perfect time to get in. And the last Baked Beans miner lasted for 2+ years. So I'm hoping this one will last for just as long or even longer. And if it does, man, all of us are literally laughing all the way to the bank. So if you want to get in, step-by-step videos are in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram. And as always, God bless and have a great day. Bye.